Welcome then to my backyard garden. I have some baby cactus here. There are 6 types and it looks beautiful. This one with red color, and this one the edge is red and in the middle of the leaves is green. And this one the form is look beautiful, and this one white flower, and it's like tower. Okay, I'm gonna take photos of these cactus. Baby cactus with this Nikon D5200 and 50mm lens. Yongnuo. It's very hot. It's 10 a.m. here. So my setup, I use f4 until 5.6, sometimes f4, sometimes 5.6, and white balance direct sunlight. Okay, I use aperture priority mode. Okay, I think exposure compensation maybe 3 minus 0.3. Let's try. So this one first, the one with red strip at the edge. Oh, good. Okay. And portrait. So some cars in the background. Okay, beautiful. And next one is, oh, it's really hot. That is okay. Yes, the sunlight still healthy in the morning. Landscape first. Like this. I like the combination, the red color in the top and the green color. Oh, very beautiful. Okay, yes, and then portrait. I include the white pot in the bottom and another one without white pot in the bottom. Okay, and the next one, the one with white flower. This one, the flower is white, yeah, and with water drops. Very hot. It's okay. So also the one with the strips at the edge fits in the frame. Oh, So there are three in the frame. Okay, beautiful. Yes, the next. Oh, actually, the idea photographing these types of cactus I got from AI. So I asked Gemini AI, what types of cactus is beautiful to photograph and maybe high demand on microstock. And Gemini suggests these types of cactus. There are 6 types. Actually, there are more, but maybe next later. I will try to buy again. This one, it's like rose, I think. The color is getting low. My camera is hot. It's because of the sunlight. Oh, the leaf block the sunlight. The water drop on the pot make it more beautiful. Yes. Okay. Now, yes. Another one. It's not really beautiful actually for now, but it's okay. There are small red dots on it. Okay, and landscape. Okay, I think enough. Okay, it's very hot now. I think I need to move first this new cactus to the shade. It's too hot, I think.